As Spindr dealer, you have the opportunity to log into the website and unlock more information. In this short video, we will explain how this works. In the menu bar, you will find the button Login on the right side. Enter your customer number as username. You've been given a password from Spindr. If you have lost either the username or password, you can always contact our sales department. They will have this information available to you. After logging in, you can access the information for dealers. In this knowledge database, you will find a number of chapters. You can view the Spindr information bulletins, including the attachments. Open and download the Spindr dealer catalog, divide it into chapters. Consult a digital archive. Download Spindr logos that you can use in your advertisements. And view various warranty certificates. To log out, go back to the main information screen and go to the Logout page. Then choose to log out.